Welcome to this fabulous renovation project here in the heart of the Springs with a fabulous view overlooking the community swimming pool. So what are we in? We're in a 4-bedroom townhouse and you can actually, there's a lot of renovation work that you can be doing here. So for those of you looking for a project to make this your own, this is for you. So 4 bedrooms upstairs, what is downstairs? So we walk through, this is the front door, you've got the stairs right behind, and then you've got the stairs right behind, and in here, you've got the washing area, okay? In here, you've got study, so a lot of people knock that down and put a door there if they want, okay? And then here, in the kitchen, this is your open plan kitchen. Here we have it. So of course you want to upgrade this kitchen, but it's here. So we've got the workmen here because we're still upgrading the villa. So here we have it. This is your living area. And this is your kitchen here, okay? So you can see this. So you definitely want to do some work in here. And then this is your lovely garden. So we'll go from upstairs and you'll be able to see the view. So some of you might want to choose to put a swimming pool in there, but this is the living area, okay? Here we have it. So that's your living area, back to your kitchen. A lot of people have knocked these windows, so their door to ceiling doors out to the garden as well. So let's go upstairs. Oh, down here is storage, okay? So you do a lot of storage, but let's go upstairs, okay? So we're gonna go upstairs. I'm actually gonna change. You see, this is your upstairs area. Upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms. So we've got bedroom here, okay? This is at the front of the house. That is your view here in the Springs. Remember, these are old properties. They're 18 years old, so these are really exciting for those of you that are looking for a renovation project. I mean, you can definitely move in and live here, but this is not your spanking brand new property, okay? So, but very good location. So these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom. So excuse me, the workmen are here right now. Now this is where you could create a 4th bedroom. At the moment it's open, but it can be a 4th bedroom. It's got its own balcony. That would have to share the bathroom as well. And then here is the master bedroom, okay? Again, most people change the windows and make them larger. And then this is your ensuite bathroom, which is a project in the works. So let's take a look at the best part. That is outside here. Okay, so this is your view. Isn't this gorgeous? So this is your view. You're looking over the Springs there. You've got the pool. You've got the kiddies park. This is your garden area. And this is your balcony, okay? So we've got one more place to show you. And that is downstairs, because you've also got a maid's room, which is outside next to your double garage. And I'm going to show you the maid's room. Okay, so we're back downstairs. This is your living area, and then we'll go out. There's your kitchen, and we'll go out here. And so outside, you have got the garage for 2 cars, and you've got the maid's room, which is an outside maid's room. Now, some people, if you don't want a maid's room, this is a really good unit that you could build as an outside office, right? Especially if you work at home, you're online. And there you have it. That is your 4-bedroom house here in the Springs. So if you this property, then look at the description below, press like on this video, subscribe to my channel, get in touch. My WhatsApp number is on the bottom of this video, and you can book an appointment to come and see this. This is a hot property. It's going to sell fast. It's a renovation project, so you're going to have to invest money in this, but what a location. Take care. Thank you for watching.